Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue of Google reviews not showing up publicly. Let's get started. First, open the Google Maps app on your mobile device and make sure it's updated to the latest version. After that, sign into your Google account. Make sure it's the correct one linked to the review. Once you're on the home page, tap the Contribute icon located at the bottom right. If you don't see your reviews, double check that you're signed into the right Google account. Then tap View Your Profile at the top. Next, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Profile Settings from the menu. Scroll down to the Profile Privacy section. Here, disable the Restricted Profile option. Turning this off will allow others to see the reviews and photos you've shared. If your reviews are still not appearing publicly, don't worry. Sometimes it takes a day or two for Google to process and publish new reviews. And that's it. Now you know how to fix the issue of Google reviews not showing up publicly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.